For over 200 years, this area was fished intensively with nets and traps. With their predators removed, urchin numbers exploded. Soaring kelp forest was transformed into a barren world. With little left to catch, the decision was made to stop all fishing across nearly 300 square miles. It would be a marine reserve or no-take zone. Once protected, the predators could begin to recover. Balance was restored. In just 5 years, the forests were once again flourishing. And with them, a thriving, bustling neighborhood. Safe from fishing, the animals had time to grow big. And the larger a female spiny lobster can grow, the more eggs she can release.